It's your girl Victoria and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to show you guys my newly renovated bedroom. I ended up changing it around and designing it into a dorm style, and my theme is a Hawaiian room. I'm just actually proud of how I did with the outcome of it. Everything you all will see in this video is from either IKEA, Target, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, the thrift store, and of course the dollar store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know what you all think. See you next time. Bye. So welcome to my room. Now before I show you all my room, I just wanted to let you guys know that I had decluttered and also shampooed the carpet and repainted my room. So starting off over here, this is my diva wall. On the bottom, you guys are seeing a organizing tower that holds all of my accessories and makeup. And up top, it is a wig head along with my Kris Jenner wig. And this mirror is a light up mirror you guys are seeing. It originally came in silver, but I ended up spray painting that gold. And up top is my Rihanna inspired picture. I am a big Rihanna fan and I just had to take this home with me. Now coming over here to this section where my nightstand is, there is a body mirror just to make sure I look okay before I leave. And I have a scented pineapple candle along with this orchid flower pot that you all have seen in my last video. I will leave a link in the description box. And if you all are like me that are into paranormal romance, I highly recommend the House of Night novel series. It's pretty much an adult version of Twilight, and I am a really big fan of it. And down underneath is a basket that just holds tissues and other odds and ends. Now over to the bed, you guys are seeing it is covered in pineapples and it's yellow and white. And up top, I ended up recreating this piece of artwork that I saw at IKEA and I just really loved it. So I just thought it would be a nice personal touch in here. Now over here, working towards the mini refrigerator I just bought, I actually filled it up with different snacks just so that way when I have company over, you know, everyone has a little variety and it's not you have the same thing. I try to work with everyone. Up top, you also see more pineapples, my little margarita cup, and the sign that says, "You are the pineapple of my eye." Now you all may remember this lady. This used to be Miss Christmas, but now she is Miss Hawaii, so you guys can definitely tell she enjoyed a trip without me. Now over here to my office area, you guys are seeing I still stuck with the black, gold, and white theme. Down here is a neon sign that says, "Hey." I think it's just a nice touch to the room, and on top of that, it is very bright, so it gives a lot of light off in this area. Of course, you know, I have to have my little gold V in there somewhere. And everything you guys are seeing is spray painted. By the way, I wanted to give my friend Jared a shout out. He was the true MVP by putting together my desk and the chair. Jared, thank you so much. I love you for that. Now over here, I found this dry erase marker board. You all know I am trying to be a minimalist, and this was just one of the ways. Not only am I saving the environment, but I'm also saving money on buying calendars. And I always try to leave a kind of inspirational quote for the month. So I picked for this month, "A little progress each day adds up to big results," which is very true because working on this room day by day, it led up to this beautiful room you guys are seeing. So finally over here to my little entertainment section. My mom was also another MVP in this situation and helped me put up my shelf. And you guys are seeing these two lights that are hanging underneath. I just think that made a nice lighting effect to the area. And on top, just to stick with the Hawaiian theme, we have a pink hibiscus painting. Well, it's really a sign, not painting. And then pillows and a sign that says welcome to paradise, because I do personally think my room is now my little getaway paradise. Hopefully you guys have found some inspiration with this video and this room. I personally like it, and it's my pride and joy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will definitely see you all next time. Bye, guys.